guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you a quick video on upgrading my original halogen headlights to LED headlights. Now, if you followed along with the channel for a little while, you might be wondering why I'm going to be doing that when I posted a video about a month ago upgrading my original halogen headlights to LEDs. Well, had something pretty cool happen to me. I had a company by the name of AUXITO LED reach out to me and want to do a collaboration with their LED headlights. So took them up on this offer, and I'm going to be showing you guys what that difference in LED to halogen headlights is going to be. So as you can see, we have the Impreza out here. I do have the original halogen bulbs still in. These are the 9003 H4 bulbs, and I'm going to be showing you guys what those headlights look like once it gets a little bit darker. And I'm going to show you the comparison between those and the LEDs. And here is what AUXITO had sent me. So really cool. They sent me this for free to give you guys a good review. And at the end of this, I'll be sure to post my code to where you guys can get a 15% discount on upgrading your LED lights or whatever you might be able to find from their website. They offer a wide variety of things. Now, I just want to make this clear, this is not specific to the Impreza, but they have a wide range of other options. It just so happens that my Impreza bulbs are the 9003 H4 style lights. So what they send you for install, some nice gloves, an instruction manual, and then the actual LED bulbs themselves. So it does give you a good rundown on how to install these, which I'm going to be showing you guys after I do the comparison between the lights and what the difference would be. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me okay and see. These are the H4 halogen bulbs with the low beams on. Just going to be taking a lap around the neighborhood here. As you can see, they are not too terribly bright. Going into the darker side of the neighborhood here. I'm going to go ahead and flip on the high beams. And as you can see, the headlights are mainly directed straight ahead, so not a whole lot of visibility. Alright, here are the LED lights after installation. So currently on low beam, pretty good sight line, lots of side angle, left, right, straight forward, and here are the high beams. So pretty good distance straight ahead. Again, not directed in one single direction, kind of like the halogens, but overall good visibility. Huge upgrade in my opinion. Now, I hope you guys like that comparison, because it is truly a night and day difference between the halogens and the LEDs. And with having a lowered, older car, the LEDs are going to make a lot of difference for visibility and safety. You always want people to see where you're coming from, and as far as visibility goes, you're going to be able to see a lot more, and with the car being lower, not going to be blinding people as much compared to, you know, a lot of the modern day LED lights. So without further ado, I'm going to be showing you how to install these. Now, these are the Y19 series LED bulbs, and when you open the instruction manual, it will show you the different style headlight bulbs on here. So what I'm going to do is flip to the page that shows the 9003 H4 bulbs, and it gives you a good rundown on how you should install these to your car. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to the best of my ability while also filming, and give you guys a good idea of what you can do along the way. Now, this might not apply to every single 9003 H4 bulb headlight assembly, but for the 2000 Impreza or the 93 to 2001 GC GFs, this should be a pretty straightforward install. So as we come over to the car, you're going to look for your two headlights, and right behind that, nice open engine bay. The first thing you're always going to want to do is unplug your car. Mind you, my car is off, that way there is no power going to these bulbs. And once you get that unplugged, you're going to remove this dust cover. Now bear with me, as this is kind of difficult with one hand, and we don't want to, break out the old halogen bulb. Two hands is always better than one, so I'm going to set that on top of the ABS module. You come down here, and with this car, you're just going to release the headlight slowly by unclamping that. Slide this out, and here we have the bulb. So again, if this will focus, you can see that this is the 12 volt 9003, also known as the H4, and that's the bulb there. So once we have that out, we can go ahead and take our LED. Now, I just did that without the gloves, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on just to make this a little bit cleaner. Hands do get a little bit dirty when you are dealing with older car, or mine being dirty after sitting all winter. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on and walk you through what to do next. So once you have your original bulb out, you can bring over your dust cover and remove one of the AUXITO LED headlights. So as you can see here, it has this locking ring on here. So what you're going to want to do is twist this off. There are a couple knobs on here that would allow you to remove this locking ring. And once that locking ring is removed, we're going to go ahead and place this back into the headlight. Once you're back over at your headlight assembly, you're going to take your lock ring with the long side out and place it into the assembly here. Once it's there, you can go ahead and close and lock this into place with the original headlight assembly locking pins. And then you can take your dust cover and go ahead and place it back over the assembly. Now once that is on there and secure, you can take your LED light, come back over here, grab this, and we are going to want to make sure that those knobs go into the lock ring correctly. As you remember, there were some ridges on it. If you can see that without the camera focusing correctly, I'm going to go ahead and slide this in, kind of twist it around. Okay, there we have the lock rings correctly, and we're going to just rotate this clockwise. That way the light is in there secure and there's not a whole lot of movement. Now once that's there, we can go ahead and plug this directly into the original wiring harness for the vehicle. So as you can see here, I've got this, got the orientation of the plugs correct. We're going to go ahead and connect them. Now obviously, doing this for the video, I'd always recommend to do this with both hands, that way you don't incorrectly install this. So once this is connected, you can then see the headlights once you turn the vehicle on. So I hope you guys enjoy that install. The driver's side is the exact same way, no difference, just a little bit less room with having to work around the battery. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for tuning in. The code that I'm going to be supplying you guys with is going to be Silver Subi. Now, once you enter that code on the website, you will be able to get the 15% discount on there. So, like I said, hope you guys find this video interesting, and that you might consider getting some AUXITO LED headlights. Again, thanks for watching. More videos on the Subaru Impreza will be coming soon.